That will be our lesson for today. So let's go now. So you just told me that you will be the one to explain, right? Okay, and I will just guide you. But of course, you are a teacher and you know how to do it, right? Yeah? Okay, let's go. Oh, oh, I will have this presentation first. Wait, I am uploading it. Okay. Yes, but first, of course, we need to discuss this first. Okay, so we have first the tenses. So first, of course, is the present tense. Amen. Yes. Repeated. Yes. So it could be also, beside from it is habitual, what else when you say present tense? Aside, aside. Yes, very good. Okay, so in other word, it talks about facts. Yes, packs. Yeah, this one, packs. Yes, fact. Okay, so truth. Okay, so in this example, we use present tense to talk about regular habits. Can you read? Kindly read the example. The sun shine where? What is that location? Hello? Yes. From the east. Yes. From the east. Shine from the east. Yes. Okay, so that is fact. So words that describe how often or when they are often used. So you could use this one. Okay, so you could this word always, generally, normally, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never, every day, every evening. Okay? Because why? It talks about permanent situation. For example, I always ride in a bus to go to work. Normally, I play piano every day. Yes, often. Okay, let's go with this one. My parents own a restaurant. Okay, that will be in the present. Okay, this one, I have worked there since I was 15. Okay, so is that present tense? Is that still a present tense? Yes, I have worked there since I was 15. Is this one is still uh, in a present tense? This one. Instruction. Yes. This one is also in the present. Student don't generally have much money. Okay, if you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. So that will be fact. That is why it is in the present. Okay, and you just said to give instruction and direction. You go down to the traffic light and then you turn left. So when you are having to give an instruction and direction, the tense will be on the present. Okay? And to tell stories and talk about film, books, and play. In the film, the tea lady falls in love with the prime minister because you are telling the story. Okay, let's go with the present continuous. Yes, continue. But it is what? It is just temporary situation. Yes. Yes, at the moment. Very good. Okay, and also to talk about action happening at the moment of speaking. You will say, I'm learning English with my teacher. Okay, so here are the structure. Okay, if it is positive, of course, you will have the be verb. Is are, and also the verb will be ing form. He's living in Thailand. Okay, but you have also negative. Be verb and plus not plus ing. I'm not living in Thailand. And if it is interrogative or as you are asking question, be verb again and then ing form. Are they living in Thailand? Yes. Yes, I'm not living in the Philippines. Very good. That is negative. Very good. Okay, that will be interrogative or asking question. Okay, let's continue. Present continuous. Yes. The internet. Trend or changing situation. Making. Dramatically. Envy. This one. Criticize. Constantly. Okay. You always visiting. So that will be envy or you are jealous of what he or she had. This one is complain also. Talk about what happened more and more than expected. Playing. Him. Yeah. Okay, let's go with another one. State verb. Okay, so the present continuous is not normally used with state verb because the main of the verb itself is a general truth rather than something temporary. This verb describes thoughts, feeling, senses, and possession and description. Here are some example of state verb. Okay, continue reading. Thoughts, thoughts. Assume, 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 assume. Disagree. This one is no, 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 no. You need to know that. This is very common word. Nga, no. Yes. Despise. As. Okay. So that's something to do with feelings. Okay. Do you want to have your example? Althea, paano nga ng charger? Yes. So you believe. Like. Okay, so now let us have your exercises. So this one, you need to choose the best ending. Okay, number one is given. Read number one. Fiona, Fiona. Yes. Yes. Appointment. Yes. Badly. No, this one again. Casual. No, clothes. Don't forget that. Clothes. Clothes. Yes. Clothes. At the weekend. But they get long holiday. Next, this one next week. That is future. Very good. Cheap. This one is cheap. Cheap executive. Yes, executive. Yes. Yes. Mhm. Yes, very good. Sis. Isn't. 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 He'll pass. What? What he's doing. Yes. Trying. Ariel. Breath in. Yes. No, no, no. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Dioxide. Very good. News. Yes, drive. R. Parents. Parents. Couple. Months. This one. Round. Yes. Course. 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 What is your course? Course. Are falling. Yes. Okay. So we will just stop here. That uh, this will be all for tonight. So you just learned about the present tense and the present continuous. Okay. So you just have the mispronounced word that you take down. Don't forget that. Okay. Okay. So good night.